that lighting's better. My brows had turned out darker than I was wanting. It's fine, whatever. But I do like to, and this is weird, this may offend you, I don't know. Dang it, I just got concealer all over my jumper. I conceal my eyebrows, which I know is weird, but I feel like it allows me to be in control of their color, so not too dark, they're not too light. Yeah. I also sometimes bleach my eyebrows and then color them. It's just what I like to do. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this here for anybody who's interested. I kind of rub it up into them, and then I'm gonna use a spoolie, spoolie brush, and oh, look at that difference. Ooh, got no eyebrows. So I'm literally gonna rub it down, rub it up, just really kind of coat each hair with the concealer. This can be kind of risky to do. It can definitely make you look kind of weird. So if you're not used to doing this, maybe don't do it on your wedding day. But yeah, so I'm just gonna fix that up real fast. Okay, so we're just like full on doing this half of my face right now. So I did the concealer and then spoolied it, blender brush, and sometimes I do this by itself without the concealer if I want to kind of like tone my brows, is how I think of it. I take a brush, gonna go back to my white powder, dip it in, and then I'm gonna just like fluff it into my brow. And this gets really messy, but it's fine. It's really fluff that in, and it gives that like nice toned, not like muscle tone obviously, like color toned brow that I feel like I've seen like the Kardashians and all these celebrities or whatever have these really nice, like not bleached brows maybe, I don't even know, like it looks like they're toned, like they've colored and then they've toned them. They're just like, they look really good. I don't know, I just don't like super dark brows at the moment. So after I've done that and I've kind of created like a base, I would think of it, I would gonna go in with Anastasia brow powder duo, and I'm gonna go with the blonde one. Something that is really important with the brows is to make sure that the bottom of it is, I think, the most filled out, if that makes sense. Like I want this to be a solid line or like a base for the rest of the brow to go off of. To me, that just makes it look the most natural and draws to your eyes the most. So have that solid base. And then, oh my goodness, my brows are just not on point at the moment. So whatever. All right, looking great with one brow done. Okay, so I quickly tried to do the other brow. I feel like they definitely do not look the same right now. I look a little crazy. That's fine. Maybe I should put some mascara on my other eye. Okay, I just mascaraed my other eye. So I'm gonna move on to doing a couple more pops of highlighter. Oh, this is my Diorskin Nude Luminizer. I love this stuff. The top broke off of it. That's how much I use it. So I'm just gonna pop this underneath my brow. Do a little bit on the nose, right here in the bridge. And then there. And in the inner corner of my eye. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take my pointed brush and swish it. And then up there. And I always kind of do a little bit above the brow too. I feel like that's where some glow naturally hits. Now, moving on to the lips. It's like my favorite part, waiting the whole time to get here. I used 2 lip liners. Lip liner is very important if you want your lips to look bigger and for the color to stay on longer. So what I did leading up to this, since I have extremely dry lips, is I used Lineage Sleeping Lip Mask. I personally feel like I discovered this before it became super trendy because now I feel like I'm seeing everybody use it. This stuff's amazing. I slather it all over my lips before I go to bed, and then I wake up in the morning and my lips are not dry and gross. They actually like look good. So I've been using this, and the morning of I also put some woo, it just flew across the, flew across my vanity. I put some on my lips as we were driving in the car to go to the event, and it was super early in the morning, and I just kind of sat back with my face mask and my eye patches and my slathered lip mask and felt just like a queen. First up is going to be, again, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Love this one. It stays on for forever. So yeah, I kind of have a natural like Cupid's bow, whatever that thing's called. So I tried to highlight that. Oh, getting a little blurry. Alright, I'm gonna try to move less. So how I line, I go all the way around my mouth. So I'm gonna like open it and even go in the corner. It makes your lips look bigger. So I always go slightly outside of your natural lip line to again make my lips look bigger. Then I also go in and fill in the actual lip. That looks better. And then to bring in a little bit more moisture in nude, I was gonna say nudity, but that sounds weird. A little more nude color. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs cream and sugar. I use this most days. I love this. It's like the best nude color ever. And it's also more moisturizing than your average lip liner. I'm gonna be sticking to the middle of my lips when I do this. So it's just kind of adding in another layer and some color. So now for the actual lip color, I'm going to be using Tom Ford Indian Rose 04. And I feel like this just gives you a really thick, creamy color. It's really nice. So I'm gonna... Oh, just got to my eye teeth. But there is, I'm trying to avoid the weird light. There we go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use the Chanel Rouge Coco 430. I also use this like every day. This is just a little bit more of like pinky rosy color. And it's also super moisturizing. So I made sure also in my wedding clutch to pack a my favorite lipstick and then a lip liner, which did never use, and then also a lip moisturizing balm. And then I also go over all of that with my middle school faithful favorite Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I would know this smell anywhere. Oh my gosh, I use this stuff like every day for years, and it just makes your lips so nice. And sorry Parker, this makes your lips sting, but you gotta have plump lips on your wedding day. And so now, very important in order for your makeup to stay on all night long, even though you're dancing and sweating and who knows what else, I do my Anastasia, however you say it, dewy set. This stuff is freaking incredible. Yeah. Whew, smells so good. And then I also do Urban Decay All Nighter. This is what makes it stay. So yeah, I think that's it. That is all. I will maybe be coming out with a what went wrong in my wedding video because it is too good not to share, and it's also fun to reminisce. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video somewhat helpful, and if it is your big day soon, then congratulations. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.